Next question says, which of the following is the best definition of economics? A says, the study of how producers decide what inputs to hire and what outputs to produce. B says, the study of how a provincial government allocates tax dollars. C says, the study of how individuals, businesses, governments, and entire societies make choices as they cope with scarcity and the incentives that influence and reconcile those choices. D says, the study of how consumers spend their income. And E says, the study of how consumers and producers meet each other at the market. So this is a little bit tricky because almost always answer choices are studied in some aspect in economics. However, the answer choice that you would use to define the overall branch of economics is going to be C. The study of how individuals, businesses, governments, and entire societies make choices as they cope with scarcity and the incentives that influence and reconcile those choices. We can see that all the other ones are going to be encompassed by answer choice C. A says, how do producers decide what inputs and outputs to produce? Again, producers' decisions, that's an individual's choice or a business's choice, right? B says, the study of how a provincial government allocates tax dollars. Again, that's a government's choice. D says, how consumers spend their income, an individual's choice. And E says, a study of how consumers and producers meet each other at the market. That's also individual and firm choice. And so C is going to be the best answer here. So let's take a look at the previous tier's answer. They said the correct answer choice is C. And C defines economics from all aspects, which includes consumer, government, producer. The other choices only partially define economics. True. And so we can mark that as correct.